What is the process for cleaning aluminum wheels with vinegar?
Hello, and welcome to this easy-to-follow guide on cleaning your aluminum wheels with vinegar. If you've been searching for an efficient, inexpensive, and environment-friendly way to clean your wheels, you're in the right place. Let's get started.
Why vinegar?
The first thing you might be asking yourself is, why vinegar? The answer is that vinegar is a great natural cleaner due to its acidity, which can help break down grime, dirt, and rust without damaging the surface of the wheel.
What will you need?
To carry out this process, you'll need the following: distilled white vinegar, water, a spray bottle, a soft brush, microfiber cloth, protective gloves. Note: it's always important to use protective gloves to avoid any skin irritation.
The cleaning process.
Now let's dive into the cleaning process. Follow these steps carefully. 1. Mix the solution. Combine equal parts of distilled white vinegar and water in the spray bottle. 2. Apply the solution. Spray the solution generously onto the wheels. Make sure every part of the wheel is covered. 3. Let it soak. Allow the solution to soak for about 10 to 15 minutes. This gives the vinegar time to break down the dirt and grime. 4. Scrub the wheels. After soaking, use your soft brush to scrub the wheels. Be sure to scrub all areas, including the corners and crevices, but be gentle to avoid scratching the aluminum. 5. Rinse and dry. After you've scrubbed all the wheels, rinse them off with clean water. Make sure to remove all the vinegar solution. Once rinsed, dry the wheels using the microfiber cloth to avoid water spots.
What to do after cleaning?
After you've cleaned your wheels, it's important to apply a protective coating or wheel sealant. This will help maintain the cleanliness and shine of your aluminum wheels for a longer time. And there you have it, a simple and effective way to clean your aluminum wheels using vinegar. Not only is this method cost-effective, but it's also gentle on your wheels and friendly to the environment. We hope this guide has been helpful and that you'll have shiny, clean wheels in no time. Happy cleaning!